Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress, and I wanted to speak to you about why my work is so powerful and how you can access it regardless of what your budget. So, here's the thing. My work and what I do is in a constant state of evolution, growth, and advancement. That is the only way I can describe to you what my skills, my talents, and my innate spiritual gifts, they literally keep growing and evolving and increasing in power. I am a seer, I am a sorceress, and I am a shaman and a healer. So I didn't step into these roles by chance. They are literally abilities that I have harnessed, grown, evolved, and become a part of, to the extent where they are now simply an extension of myself. I cannot separate my ability to see interdimensionally, to be able to access every facet of information that relates to a client in a given moment. Whether it be in this realm, a different dimension, a different cosmos, a different galaxy, it doesn't matter whether it is in the past, present, future, or any direction of time. So as much as those who are involved and working with me are stunned by some of the things that I can come out with, some of the things that I can tap into to see. I can tap into anyone, any person, any experience, any timeline, any dimension, any realm. And it is fluid, it is easy, and it comes naturally, which is also how I know that this is my mission and my calling and my purpose and my why in this lifetime. I have this real deep-seated yearning to serve you, to transform the lives of clients all over the world. It is something that gives me the most pleasure in life, the most exhilaration, and I can't actually put it into words as to how driven I feel by this call to serve. And also, the work that I do is truly powerful, is truly transformational, and is truly effective. But I also help you to step into your own ability to empower yourself. So I don't take away your power. I actually allow you to see your power and give you tools that you can use to enhance your own innate qualities, your own abilities, and to actually truly step into your authenticity. So this is not a copycatting of anything. This is not you borrowing goals from someone. This is not you trying to be or emulate someone else's success. This is you being you. This is you cracking open your own shell and revealing to the world what lies inside, the true you, in terms of who you really are meant to become in this lifetime. Okay, so everything that I give you, the tools that I give you, whether it is a sound healing, a meditation journey, a sound bath, a program that is for enhancing your love life, for enhancing your money flow, for increasing and growing your success in business, or for stepping into living a life that is truly blissful, and for having it all, and for setting insane goals and actually being able to achieve them easily. All of that, you do it through becoming you. You don't do it through copycatting someone else's formula. You don't do it through borrowing someone else's done true, and tried principles. I give you tools and I tell you stories of how I've done it. And the tools allow you to find your own path, your own recipe for success. Okay, so I also wanted to touch on the fact that as my power grows and as my ability to navigate the unseen realms grows and increases in quantum jumps, the value of my work also grows. So therefore, my one-on-one sessions are high-end and will keep on evolving in price and value. But that doesn't mean you can't work with me. I have been guided to create and design my work in a way that allows you to tap into my work regardless of what your budget is. So the easiest and the quickest way to start to shift your vibration is to access my energy. And the easiest way to do that is to start with my weekly mentoring sessions, which I call my sacred womb weekly mentoring sessions. And there's a reason that I call it that, because that is literally the womb of where everything that you need to step into can be accessed. So that's where I drop in sessions for you each week, where you can ask me questions about a whole plethora of subjects that you can read about on my website when you access weekly mentoring. And also, I actually give you the foundational information to shift your life in any area, and more importantly, to stay aligned. Okay, so that is the easiest and the simplest way to step in, and that is less than a cup of tea a day, your investment. So there's no excuse for actually stepping into that. And then you can also, when you are part of my weekly mentoring, you can also book the enchantments that I offer, which are so amazingly affordable. Each month I offer a dark moon release and a full moon blessing. And what it is for changes, I let you know ahead of time. You can book in if you want to. And I can tell you right now, you can read the reviews on my website, but the clients who are in weekly mentoring and they do the enchantments, and they're literally over the moon. They're like, I can feel my life changing in a matter of weeks. Okay, so this is something that you can do. It's like going to the gym. You need a gym membership. This is your gym membership for your soul. This is your gym membership for your love life. This is your gym membership for your money flow. This is your gym membership for business success, no matter what level of business you're in. And this is your gym membership for living a blissful life. This is your gym membership for achieving huge goals. This is your gym membership for having it all. Okay, it is seriously that amazing. And then you also get access to my whole vault of sessions for weekly mentoring, so you can access all of that. And then you also have, as you grow and evolve, you can step into the love, money, and bliss programs that I have created for you, for healing your love story, for healing your money story, for healing overwhelm, anxiety, and frustration. Plus, if and when you want to, you can also step into my one-on-one sessions. But the reason that I created my work in this way is because I realized that I can't help everyone if I kept on just simply offering one-on-one sessions. I really can't. And I know that my work is truly, truly, truly powerful. What I do is extremely unique in terms of I don't regurgitate information that is out there. In fact, I actually don't consume information that is in the public domain. I channel information for myself. I actually, and my clients know this, I actually call myself my own Google. Like I don't go out and look for stuff until I have channeled the information that I want first. Also, the information, the concepts that I speak about, they may clarify things that you have in your mind. You can ask me to clarify certain things, or I may give you certain concepts that nobody speaks about, okay? And then usually they're mind-blowing. I mean, I use the word mind-blowing because my clients use the word mind-blowing for how to describe my sessions. So this entire message is to invite you to step into my energy so that you can start to shift your energy, you can stay aligned, and you can start to create and live a life of ease in every area of your life. And as I said to you, it is like going to the gym. If you want to have a beautiful body, you not only need to feed it the right food, but you also need to exercise it. And you can't just do it once and stop. You need to do it for life. So this is why I've created my membership so you can step into weekly mentoring, and it is so affordable. It's something that even you can start accessing my work, and literally when you step into my energy, you are actually able to create and live at a much higher vibrational level than your current vibration, okay? And that is a fact. So whether you start from the weekly mentoring level for less than a cup of tea a day, or you start from my one-on-one mentoring sessions, which are high-end, I always ask everyone to be part of the weekly mentoring sessions, because that gives you, as it is called, the sacred womb, it gives you foundational concepts and principles that you can keep on layering regardless of if you are a CEO of a multi-million-dollar corporation, or you are someone who is a student, okay? I have the whole gamut of range of clients, and it doesn't matter where you fit. It is energetic principles that you can use for your entire life. So I invite you to step into the world of Soul Enchantress, and for you to be able to access my work at any level of budget. And I so look forward to welcoming you with open arms, and I hope to see you very soon on soulenchantress.com. And I wish you joyous blessings.